Automations used to simply mean if this, then that. Now it means AI agents, multi-step workflow, API orchestration, and entire business processes running without you touching a thing. Two of the biggest tools powering this shift are n8n and Zapier. On the surface, they both connect apps, they both move data, they both automate tasks. But once you start looking closer, the differences start to show. Whether you're just getting started or scaling more complex workflows, this video breaks down the key differences, strengths, and trade-offs of both platforms. Let's start with what these platforms actually are. Zapier is a fully managed automation platform. You build workflows called Zaps inside their cloud environment, and Zapier handles the infrastructure, scaling, and maintenance for you. Most workflows start with something called a trigger. A trigger is simply the event that starts the automation. For example, a new form submission, a new Stripe payment, a new row added to a spreadsheet. When that event happens, the rest of the workflow runs automatically. n8n is a workflow automation tool with a different philosophy. It offers a hosted version, but it can also be self-hosted, meaning you control where and how it runs. This is huge for businesses with strict data privacy rules who don't want their AI data leaving their own servers. Workflows in n8n are built using nodes. Each node represents a single step, whether that's starting the workflow, performing an action in an app, adding logic, or making an API call. You connect these nodes together visually to define how the data flows from one step to the next. This makes it easier to build workflows with branching logic, conditions, or more advanced custom steps all inside a single flow. Now let's look at how they're actually structured. In Zapier, workflows are built as step-based sequences. You start with the trigger, then you add actions in order. Zapier supports filters, branching paths, and looping, but workflows are still built as ordered steps within a single structured flow. For most business automations, that structure works incredibly well. It's predictable, easy to follow, and keeps workflows manageable. n8n uses a graph-based workflow model. Instead of building a vertical list of steps, you design workflows through a visual canvas by connecting nodes. You can branch into multiple paths, merge data back together, loop through items, or route information dynamically across different parts of the workflow. As workflows become more complex, especially when you're working with multiple APIs or advanced logic, that added flexibility can really make a difference. Another difference is portability. n8n workflows can be exported and imported as JSON files. This makes it easier to version control workflows, share them across teams, or to even generate them programmatically. To sum it up, Zapier emphasizes structure and ease of use, while n8n emphasizes flexibility and control. Now let's talk about pricing, because this is where the differences become more evident. Zapier charges based on tasks. A task is counted every time an action step runs successfully. For example, if a workflow includes 3 action steps and runs once, that counts as 3 tasks. If you're running high-volume automations or workflows with many steps, that number can grow very quickly, which ultimately increases your total cost. Zapier does offer a free plan with 100 tasks per month, and from there, pricing moves up into higher tiers like Professional, Teams, and Enterprise based on how many tasks you expect to run in a given month. n8n takes a different approach. Pricing is based on workflow executions. An execution is counted anytime a workflow runs from start to finish. If a workflow runs once, that counts as one execution, regardless of how many nodes are inside of it. This means you can build workflows with many steps without being charged per individual action. n8n also provides a free community edition that developers can self-host on their own infrastructure with no subscription fees. This gives developers full control and flexibility if they feel comfortable enough managing their own setup. For n8n's cloud offerings, the starter plan includes 2,500 executions per month. Beyond starter, there are Professional, Teams, and Enterprises, with pricing based on the number of executions you expect to use per month. Now let's talk about AI, because this is where automations has evolved the most. Zapier integrates with over 400 AI tools and connects to over 8,000 apps. You can add AI steps inside a Zap to summarize text, extract data, generate responses, or trigger actions based on model output. Zapier also offers AI workflows and agent-style automations that can be configured using templates. For teams that want to plug AI directly into existing tools with minimal setup, this approach is fast and accessible. n8n also supports AI integration. You can connect directly into language models through APIs, use built-in AI nodes, and incorporate model outputs into larger workflows. Both platforms allow you to chain AI steps, branch based on responses, loop through data, and connect AI decisions to other apps or external APIs. The difference is not whether they support AI, but how workflows are structured as they grow more complex. Zapier organizes AI steps inside a sequential step-based editor, while n8n organizes workflows on a visual canvas where branching, looping, and logic paths are expressed as connected nodes. Zapier focuses on ease of use and broad integrations across a very large ecosystem. n8n focuses on flexibility in how complex workflows are visually designed and structured. So which one should you choose? Well, if you're new to automations or working with standard business applications, Zapier is often the easier starting point. The interface is straightforward, the integrations are extensive, and you can connect quickly without having to worry too much about the infrastructure and workflow design. For marketing teams, operation teams, and non-technical users that want a fast setup with a large, extensive ecosystem, Zapier makes a lot of sense. But if you need more control in how workflows are structured, n8n is clearly the better fit. It gives you more flexibility in how you design logic, branch workflows, and connect custom APIs. For developers, technical teams, or anyone that's looking to build more complex automations, that flexibility can be incredibly valuable. Also, if you're interested in self-hosting, then you have that as well. At the end of the day, both Zapier and n8n are powerful automation platforms. The right choice really depends on how much control you want and how advanced your automation needs are. This industry is moving very fast. We're already seeing new tools like Microsoft Foundry gaining traction around agentic workflows in larger organizations. It'll be interesting to see how this competition evolves over the next year. Now, if you're leaning towards n8n and actually want to build with it, we have a 3-hour course on the Zero to Mastery Academy called Build AI Agents with n8n. In it, you'll learn how to design workflows, connect models like OpenAI and Gemini, integrate tools like Gmail, Google Calendar, and Notion, and deploy fully automated agent systems. You can find the link in the description down below. If you enjoyed this video, please drop it a like and also hit that hype button. YouTube is putting more emphasis on it, so it'll really help us out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.